Guys, welcome to 19 Antilles in Gordons Bay. This place is completely different to all the other places we've stayed. This place is absolutely massive with 6 ensuite rooms. The cool thing about all the rooms is they all have a skylight for natural light. Let's show you the first floor. At the end of the hall, there's a guest bathroom. Let's show you the 2 rooms upstairs. It's a small little office, another guest room there, and then the master bedroom is on this side. Come have a look. The best part about the main bedroom is the view from the balcony. Come have a look. With its own entrance or an entrance through the main bedroom, you have this massive lounge still on the 2nd floor where you can just come and relax. Let's go show you the rest of the bottom floor. At the bottom you have this absolutely massive kitchen with everything you would need. Gas appliances, massive fridge. On this side you have your nice dining setup. And on this side another absolutely massive lounge where you can just relax with all your friends. With an entrance from the main hallway or the bottom lounge, you have an outside patio with a table setup and a Weber bride to fry your meat. On the beach side of the house, there's another big patio where you can enjoy epic sunsets and your own private gate to the beach. This place is absolutely epic with an epic view. The Elgin Market is definitely one of the best markets we have visited. The thing that makes this even better is you can take a steam train trip to the market. Sirius Rail Company offers a lot of different seating options to go on a day adventure, visit the market, do all your shopping, eat some of the best food with the best vibes, then get back on a train and go to Cape Town. This market is definitely worth a visit. I mean, just look at that yummy meal. Just to give you guys some context, we didn't book this massive place for ourselves. Our very best Cape Town friends got married, and this is where we all stayed for the wedding celebrations. We did not include any of that as it was their special time. We wanted to protect their privacy. But on the last evening, we got to see this awe-inspiring sunset together. Cape Town sunsets never disappoint. The Whale Coast route is breathtaking. We wanted to go and see the famous Dapatse Gat, but we ran out of time and just decided to do a small piece of the route to take in the amazing view South Africa has to offer. If you ever drive here, make a stop at Dapatse Gat. It will be amazing to see in person, or you can just stop at one of the amazing beaches along the way.
If you are in the Gordons Bay area, there is the Whale Coast route running from Gordons Bay towards Hermanus with multiple viewpoints over the ocean, a road running between the ocean and the mountain. It's absolutely breathtaking here.
Wat moest ik zeggen? Nou is dat heel te mooi.